Good morning, everybody. Today is another beautiful spring day on the lake, and I went out to check on our little garden, and this bed is now absolutely gorgeous. So many things are in bloom. The hyacinths, the daffodils, so pretty. Let's have a look. And the kale is blooming now. I let it bloom. I could actually just cut it here and it would grow into kind of tree shape, but I wanted to let it bloom so all the pollinators have plenty of food, flowers to enjoy. And I think it's really pretty. There is nothing, it's not much blooming at the moment, so it's some nice color in the garden. And here we have the raspberries. They are massive now. Look at these shoots. I think very soon they will start blooming. So pretty. Look at that. And here are my onions from last year. I don't know what will happen to those. It's not much. I have 3 onions and some baby onions here. And then there, more raspberries. Here I planted just a week ago yellow raspberry, also looking happy. Here have some pots with mint, and this bed will be for tomatoes later. And here I have onions as well. I planted onions, so I just use the space. They're not big, but I think very soon we can harvest the green parts and make egg salads and things like that. So many weeds, look at that. Okay, and this bed as well will be for tomatoes later, this spring, summer. And here I have, what do I have here? I have some chives. Here they are. Oh, this is not chives, this is wheat. But I sowed some chives. They're starting here now. And actually this is dill. I sowed some dill. I had no success last year with dill. Maybe this year will be better. And here we have, I think this is, I'm pretty sure this is flower. I'm not sure which one it is. So I'm leaving those plants to see what they are. And these are spinaches. We have very little spinaches. I have to reseed them. And here we have ranunculus. I see the first one starting there, tiny little shoot. So I think they will be fine. Oh, here as well, look at that. Can you see tiny little? Here it is. Tiny little shoots here. Okay, it is really nice and warm here in the little garden. Cherry likes it as well here. Just walking around and exploring. The sweet peas haven't started yet. Here are the sweet peas and some more flowers. And oh, look at this happy bee. And the blackberries are starting now, looking very, very happy. And my fence, no, my trellis is just wonderful. On the other side of the trellis will be cucumbers. And here is another future tomato, cucumber and tomato bed. For now I sowed some rucola, and it is starting, it is lovely. Some more rucola here. Look at these baby plants, so tiny, so pretty, so pretty. And the forget-me-not, self-seeded from last year, looking very pretty. and the daffodils. Here I have some more chives, and I think this is cilantro. I'm pretty sure it is. Looking really lovely. Maybe I have to thin it a little bit. I don't know. What do you think? Do I have to thin it, or I just leave it like that? It looks really pretty, like carpet, nice and fluffy. And some beautiful tulips. I think this one will be the first to bloom in my garden. It is the sunniest spot and it is really quiet and warm here. I think these ones are orange, really nice color. And this is it in the little garden. And Sherry and I were on a little walk here in the neighborhood. And Saji is working inside. I will show you what he's doing. And I have to join him and do some projects inside. And here the creeping fig is doing well. See, it is ready for this summer. So many new shoots here and there. I hope no one pull it out and it will grow happily and cover a nice patch of stairs. This is my hope for this year. And we have another one here, but it's teeny tiny. How are you? Wow, you are doing quite a good progress. Yes, yes, that's why it was so slow for me. It's just, it's so hard.
I'm always tired.
I know. When Sergi was getting ready for the job, he was like, I will finish the ceiling today.
For today it's enough.
No. But my advice to do like half an hour, then rest, and then half an hour, and then rest. Because right now the ceiling is holding us from the progress. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon and we have quite an exciting news. Let me show you. How dare you do such a thing? How could you do that to me? So we have quite an exciting news. Ta-da-da-da! Look at that! Sergi has finished the whole ceiling. I can't believe it. In one day, in one go. What took me a week just to do first 2 rows. In one day, he finished the whole ceiling. I don't know how he does that, how he can hold the sander up. I don't know. For me, it's just half an hour, and then just my shoulders and my arms are in pain and I can't continue. He did the whole thing in one day, in one go. This is a huge success. Now the plan for this room is to work now on the moldings. And the moldings are, here are the dimensions. So for the skirting board we will do, I think this one is 15 centimeters with a beautiful trim. And then we will be using this, which I think 2x4, as a border here, or with a beautiful like edge here, not at the bottom, curved edge. And we will see, maybe this part and maybe the different one. Sergi will cut from same boards. This will be inside like that, the frames. So here we are. It is quite an exciting stage now, being creative and actually creating something pretty, because before it was just cleaning, demolishing, filling the holes, not really pretty jobs. Now it will be all really interesting.